Let us look at proposition number 29 of Works of Archimedes, specifically from book 1 of On the Sphere and Cylinder. The proposition says, in a figure circumscribed to a sphere in the manner shown in the previous proposition, the surface is equal to a circle, the square of whose radius is equal to AB times the sum of all the B prime, M prime, Y prime. Okay, so let's see how we can prove this. So take a great circle AB, A prime, M prime, B prime, A on a sphere S. Circumscribe a regular polygon whose sides are multiples of 4. We have done that. Now draw a sphere B about the polygon. So let's do that. So this is the sphere B about the polygon. Let A prime be the diameter. B prime subtends two sides of the polygon. Now draw M prime, Y prime parallel to B prime. Revolve the polygon about the diameter A prime. So when we revolve the polygon, we get a polygonal solid formed by the revolution of this polygon. The surface of the figure, that is the polygonal solid, is made up of surfaces of two cones and a number of frustums. We have already seen in a previous proposition that the surface of the cone formed by the revolution of B prime and AB about A prime is equal to a circle whose radius is square root of AB times half of B prime. Half of B prime is nothing but the radius of the cone, or rather the radius of the base of the cone. Now the surface of the frustum formed by the revolution of MB about A prime, again we have seen, is equal to a circle whose radius is square root of Bm, the side of the frustum, times the sum of the radii of these two surfaces, top and bottom of the frustum. So here we have B prime and M prime. So it will become half of B prime plus M prime. Again, the surface of the frustum formed by the rotation of My about the diameter A prime is equal to a circle whose radius is square root of My times half of M prime plus Y prime. And finally, the surface of the cone Y prime A prime is equal to a circle whose radius is square root of A prime Y times half of Y prime. We have looked at the various parts of the polygonal solid in terms of cones and frustums, and we have equated them to circles whose radius we have arrived at. Now, what we do is we figure out the radius of a circle which is equal to the surface of the polygonal solid. Now, to figure out that, what we do is we sum up the squares on these radii of these various circles. So we get Q square is equal to AB times half of BB prime, which is what the square of this is, plus BM times half of BB prime plus MM prime, plus My times half of MM prime plus YY prime, plus a prime y times half of y prime. When we add up all these, what we get is the radius square of a circle which is equal to the surface of the polygonal solid that is circumscribed about the given sphere. Now we simplify this. Here AB is equal to BM is equal to MY is equal to A prime Y because they are the sides of a regular polygon. So AB, BM, MY and A prime Y, they being equal, we can take them out as AB. Half is again common to all of them. So we can take out 1/2 as well. And what we are left with is 2 times B prime, 2 times M prime, and 2 times Y prime. So 2 is again common. We take it out and it gets cancelled with the denominator. So we have Q square is equal to AB times B prime plus M prime plus Y prime, which can be written as Q is equal to square root of AB times B prime plus M prime plus Y prime. We can say that the surface of the circumscribed polygonal solid is equal to a circle whose radius is square root of AB times BB prime plus MM prime plus Y prime. Now here, remember, we have taken a polygon, 8-sided polygon. If we had taken 12-sided polygon or 16-sided polygon, remember multiples of 4, then naturally the number of sides would have increased, which means the number of frustums would have increased. So the number of terms would increase accordingly. So that is proposition number 29 of works of Archimedes, specifically from book 1 of On the Sphere and Cylinder. Again, let me remind you, there is a link to a PDF book which describes all these propositions in detail. Please feel free to download it, refer to it, and if you think somebody else can also benefit from it, please do share. That's it for now. Bye.